Before I start this video, I want to put out a disclaimer. This video is only for those people who are truly serious about unlocking their true potential and wants to transform their life. Now that I have your attention, I want to ask you certain questions throughout the video which will make you think deeply about your life. So stick to the end if you really want to find out. So the first question I want to ask you, are you living a life you really want? Before we dive deeper into this question, I want to ask you another question, which is, do you even know what you want from this life? Or do you even know what you really want? या फिर तुम ऐसे इंसान हो जो कि अपनी लाइफ को वेस्ट कर रहे हो एंड वो लाइफ जी रहे हो जो तुम्हें लोग बताते आए हैं, जो लोगों ने बताया कि लाइफ इस तरह की होती है. To go to school, go to college, get a degree, get a job, marry someone, create a family, and go for the retirement. Is that really you want? Isn't this life an hoax? Is this not a lie we are living in? Because that is not what we truly want. Most of us don't want that straight line. We are just being told all the time by our parents, by our friends, by our family, by our cousins, by the institution, by any authority, and we let them control us. We are trapped in that illusion of matrix. If we are really living a life which is nothing but controlled by others, it is not your life. वो आपकी लाइफ हो ही नहीं सकती जिसमें आपका से है ही नहीं. आपको बताया जा रहा है टाइम टू टाइम कि आपको ये डिग्री करनी चाहिए, आपको ये जॉब करनी चाहिए, आपको ये स्टेप लेना चाहिए, आपको वो लेना चाहिए. अपने आप से कब पूछोगे कि व्हाट यू रियली वांट इन लाइफ? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम? सेटिंग असाइड द फाइनेंशियल पार्ट, व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग विच यू वांट टू डू इन लाइफ विच विल गिव यू दैट इमेंस जॉयस फीलिंग? हम एक रेस में भागे जा रहे हैं और पता ही नहीं है कि हमें एंड कहाँ करना है. और वो एंड एक ऐसी जगह पे होता है जहाँ पे वी आर फीलिंग डीपली अनहैप्पी, डीपली अनसेटिस्फाइड. आई वॉन्ट यू टू थिंक अबाउट इट. आई वॉन्ट यू टू थिंक अबाउट योर डेथ राइट नाउ. वट इफ यू आर ऑन योर डेथ बेड? आस्क योर सेल्फ दिस क्वेश्चन, वॉज दैट रियली आई वॉन्ट टू डू इन माई लाइफ? क्या मेरी लाइफ का सिग्निफिकेंस यही था कि मैंने इस लाइफ को इस तरह से स्पेंड किया जिसमें मैं वो कर ही नहीं पाया जो मैं करना चाहता था? मैं हर बार एक ऐसे प्रेशर में था, ऐसी अथॉरिटी से कंट्रोल हो रहा था जो कि मुझे वो करने ही नहीं दे रही थी जो मैं करने चाहता था. डोंट फॉल इनटू दिस ट्रैप, दिस इल्यूजन. जब तक आप अवेयर नहीं होगे, जब तक आप ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे दैट डू आई रियली वांट दिस इन माय लाइफ और डू आई वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स व्हिच वुड डिफाइन मी. हम भूल चुके हैं ह्यूमन होने की सिग्निफिकेंस को. वी हैव बीन थ्राइविंग फ्रॉम थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स. वी हैव सर्वाइव्ड सो मेनी कैलामिटीज. हम आज तक इसीलिए सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वी हैव दैट कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ अडेप्टेबिलिटी. हम अडेप्ट कर लेते हैं, हम इम्प्रोवाइज कर लेते हैं, हम तभी इवॉल्व कर रहे हैं और आज तक तभी सरवाइव कर रहे हैं. लेकिन जिस तरह से अब हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल है वो इतना इंस्टीट्यूटेड हो चुका है, इतना कंट्रोल्ड हो चुका है कि वी आर ऑल लाइक अ हॉर्सेस, वी आर लाइक रैट्स. अगर हम रियलाइज़ कर लें ये चीज़ तो हम वो चीज़ें नहीं करेंगे जो हमें अंदर से भी इतना शैलो कर रही हैं. We would strive for something which is beyond ourselves, which is beyond these structures, those foundations. We will not live in a box. We are living a life in a box. We live in a box. Get out of that box to get into a car which is another box, to get into an office which is another box, and come to that same house which is another box. Get out of that box and ask yourself, is that really what I want? Now that you have asked this question, ponder upon it. Be clear. Space out every shitty thought out of your head. Be in silence and ask yourself this question. You will not get an answer just like that. It will take time. But once you have certain clarity, after knowing what you really want in life, is this the life you want? We will move to the next question is, what is it that you want to change about your life? What are those habits? What are those addictions? What are those impulsive behavior? What are those subconscious mindset, subconscious patterns or behaviors which is ruling or controlling your life? When you become aware of those patterns, behaviors, those structures in your life, make sure to change it. Go little by little. Go one habit at a time. Replace a bad habit with a good habit. If you are wasting your time watching bullshit reels on social media, replace it with a book. If you are relentlessly procrastinating, replace it with meditation. 1% at a time. I'm not asking much. 1% at a time. Don't go heavily that you become overwhelmed by the process. Just go slowly, and you will feel that shift happening from within. Meditation, exercise, take care of your food, what kind of food you are consuming, take care of your consumption of social media, whatever you are consuming, consume it consciously. Is it serving me? Am I not procrastinating? If I'm in a loop, you need to be aware of that loop you are running again and again, and you're not even realizing or being aware what are you doing to your life. If you are not aware, the only way to become aware is to trash out all the bullshit you're running in your head on a paper, or just sit calmly and watch your thoughts pass by, and slowly by slowly you will become aware of what you are thinking. When you become aware of your thinking, you pick out those thoughts which is serving, which is not serving, which is negative, which is not negative. You write it all down on a piece of paper and you will realize and become aware of what is serving you in life, what is making you better. You double down on those things. When you start meditating, when you start becoming aware, then you will find the clarity to move to the next step. You need to eliminate and add. Eliminate the bad habits, add and replace a good habit. This is how you will improve over time. Then we move to the third part. How do I manifest all these things in my life? For that, you will do visualization and manifestation. How will you do it? Sit in a spot. When you wake up, sit in that spot and be in that space, because you are in a highly relaxed state. The moment you wake up, you are in alpha state, which is a relaxed state. Now what I want you to do is to imagine the future you want to create. Imagine all those habits, good habits, जो आप कर रहे हो present moment में. Just imagine being in that space. You are meditating, you are reading the book, you are visualizing, you are journaling, you are doing all those things which is thriving you in every aspect of life. When you are imagining it, feel those emotions in real time, as if you are actually doing in that moment. Do it for 21 days, the moment you wake up. This is a very powerful visualization process. अब इसमें हो क्या रहा है? It's like we are all vibrating on a certain frequencies and vibrations. We are all vibrating at certain frequencies. Okay? Example, I'm operating on 20 hertz frequency. Example. Okay. Now the things you want to manifest is operating on 30 hertz frequency in the quantum field. When you are visualizing, you take your vibration from 20 hertz to 30 hertz. You are feeling that same emotion, that same feeling as if you are doing it right now. When you match up the frequency of your own state by visualizing to the state or to the frequency of that same situation, जब दोनों की situation की frequencies match हो जाएंगी, you will start attracting all those things. You will start manifesting all those things into your life in terms of opportunities आएंगी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे ही coincidental होती रहेंगी, एक synchronicity create हो जाएगी आपकी लाइफ में जिसमें you will be able to attract all those situations in real life. Only by visualization, only by enacting those emotions, only by feeling those powerful emotions जो आज feel करोगे कल के लिए. When you will do that, you will start attracting those opportunities. वो किसी भी form में आ सकती है, but you will have that space and clarity to grab it. Now the next part is how do I stick with it? किसी भी चीज़ में अगर आप believe कर रहे हो, when you are not living a lie, when you are true to yourself, when you really want that in your life, when you believe in that, आपकी will power ऊपर जाती रहेगी. जब will power ऊपर जाएगी तो discipline automatically create हो जाएगा. Discipline is everything. अगर आप disciplined नहीं हो, उन चीज़ों को start करने की जो motivation शुरू में चाहिए हो, वो motivation थोड़े टाइम के तो रहेगी, लेकिन डिसिप्लिन आपको कॉन्टिन्यूटी देगा वो चीज़ें करने की. जब आप एक्चुअली में वो करना चाहते हो, जो आप चाहते हो करना, तो आपके पास वो विल पावर की कमी नहीं होगी कभी भी, बिकॉज यू बिलीव इन इट, बिकॉज यू रियली वांट दैट इन योर लाइफ. सो यू विल हैव दैट डिसिप्लिन एज वेल, यू विल हैव द विल पावर एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. This will eventually create the life you really want. It's like a step-by-step process. First, you need to know what you really want in life. Are you really living the life you want? How do I create those things? When I become aware of those things which I want in life, what changes I need to bring in myself so that I can reach that level? When I know those things, I eliminate bad habits and I replace good habits, routines, schedules and everything. You need to make changes. But if you really want to get in detail, you can get in touch with me where I can do a one-to-one strategy call to actually guide you. I can actually guide you how to do all these things into a system or a structure. Now, after doing everything, from asking that question, from knowing what you want to do in life, now after that, how will I do it? By replacing, by elimination, and then by visualization and manifestation, and then sticking with it. After that comes the last part, being patient. Patience is the key. कोई भी चीज़ एक दिन में खड़ी नहीं हो सकती, टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन पेशेंस रखना ज़रूरी है, रेजिलियंस होना ज़रूरी है. पेशेंस नहीं होगा, तुम बीच में छोड़ दोगे और फिर कहोगे कि लाइफ चेंज क्यों नहीं हुई, कुछ भी चेंज क्यों नहीं हुआ. इतने सटल शिफ्ट्स होंगे जो नोटिसेबल भी ना होंगे. तो आपको इन चीज़ों को रिटेन करना है, मेंटेन करना है और बार बार स्टैकअप करना है और ये करते रहना है. एंड इन 6 months और एन ईयर यू विल फील द डिफरेंस. इतनी सारी जो बुक्स पढ़ी उसका इफेक्ट आपकी लाइफ में आएगा. इतने पावरफुल पॉडकास्ट देखे उनका इम्पैक्ट आपकी लाइफ में आएगा. वो जो बैड हैबिट्स को रिप्लेस करके अच्छी हैबिट्स आपने इंस्टॉल की है, तो आपकी पर्सनालिटी शिफ्ट होनी शुरू हो जाएगी एंड यू विल स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग the life you want. I hope you like this video. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe and share to those people who might be benefited from this. Thank you.